So we're going to continue into the cornfield, and then I'm going to go straight up with the camera. Let's bend it a little and see if I can see anything up high. Well, we're going to try the cornfield again. I have a new system. I've spent 3 days in this cornfield looking for that drone. It's pretty creepy in there when you get back about 30 rows. And I had visions of Malachi from Children of the Corn. Any of you have watched that horror movie years ago? So, I think the next thing I'm going to try is when Elaine gets her drone up and running, we're going to fly it over the cornfield and see if we can see it from the top and pinpoint where it's at. Well, that was 15 minutes of fun before I lost it. Well, folks, here we are again. Say hi, Haley.
Hi.
Okay, you glad to be back here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what's your dad doing?
I'm flying the drone.
Okay, and what's he looking for?
Your drone.
Okay. Yeah. There he is. Oh, it's sort of creepy.
Looks like a fly.
It does look like a fly.
You should see the case he puts it in. It's even more creepier. Hi.
Where's the camera on it?
In the front.
Like looking straight ahead?
Yeah.
Or is it coming down on us?
He can pick which way for the camera to go, I think.
He can move the camera?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he can.
That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna see if I can look. I have binoculars. I swear I just saw something black.
That's right there.
A bear? Is it? I don't think it's safe to be here. I can go in. That'll kind of be easier. Do you want me to go in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Don't lie.
Be careful with his shot.
The shot.
Here, right here is a big, you look for big openings.
Wait, how do I do this?
We'll be back.
I'm gonna go low. Gotta go low.
Yeah, there you go. So all you do is this, Hallie. You just sort of push it.
Oh, geez, I got cut by one.
Yeah, it does. It's you know, it gets you like a paper.
Kind of hurts.
Okay, we'll go back out.
Yeah.
Watch yourself. Come on.
Oh, geez.
Did it bring blood?
No.
Okay, no sympathy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, geez.
Hey, my self-reliant peeps. I'm here with Hallie's dad, and we're looking for the drone that I lost. So he's just flying ever so slowly up and down the cornfield, and it appears he's coming at us.